Hey, if you have to use a lot of power tools in your garage or your shop, nothing is better than a long extension cord, except one of these. Now, this here is a retractable power cord. This thing is 30 feet long and it all ravels up real easy right inside here. This thing is super easy to use. And you want to know why this is also better, besides the convenience of rolling it up, is you have these 4 outlets. Your standard extension cord only has that one on it. This one has 4. This has a 13 amp circuit breaker. You see it has a little switch right there where that will trip if it's too much power going through it, but it does have 125 volts and 1,625 watts. So this thing can do a lot. Now, one of your questions, like mine, might be, if I plug in multiple things, can I use them, or is it going to be too much for this? Let's find out. See, it can handle my drill with no problem. Let's test it out a little bit more. All right, I got 3 things plugged in. I have my power drill. My jigsaw. And a sawzall. So you can see here, you can plug in many different power tools that suck a lot of power, a lot of energy, and this thing works great. Now, if you need to use an extension cord to use your power tools, you no longer have to plug, unplug, plug, unplug. You can plug up to 4 of them into this, and you can go back and forth using those without having to do all that extra work. And then when you're done, just wind it right up. It's going to be easy to store. I like the handle. It's easy to tote around. The feet right here make it very easy for setting it down. So if you're looking at getting this self-retracting 4 outlet extension cord, I think it works really good. I like it.